so juicy and red. B is for ball, let's bounce it instead. C is for cat, with a soft little purr. D is for dog, with a wagging fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, that jumps away. G is for giraffe, so long and big neck. H is for helicopter, soaring so high. Gal nacho, learn with fun. A to Z for everyone. E to teen, let's all say. Saab milkar kelter hein. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for joker, funny and entertaining. K is for kite, that flies so high. L is for lion, with a roar in the sky. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for ninja, Sherlock or Tess. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, cuddly and bright. Gal nacho, learn with fun. A to Z for everyone. E to teen, let's all say. Saab milkar kelter hey. Q is for queen, with a crown to wear. R is for rabbit, hopping everywhere. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, fast and clever. U is for unicorn, unique and beautiful. V is for van, enjoy your picnic. W is for whale, in the deep blue sea. X is for Xmas, play and decorate. Y is for yo-yo, honey sing. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Gal